If the area bounded by the curve y equals to x square minus 1, tangent to it at 2, 3 and y-axis is 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 8 by 3, 1. So the answer is, here's the required diagram for the question. So the equation of tangent at 2, 3 will be y plus 3 by 2, it will be equal to 2x minus 1. So solve this equation, y plus 3 equals to 4x minus 2. So 4x minus y equals to 5, and the required area will be area of triangle PAB minus x parabola dy up to limits minus 1 to 3. So for solving this, half into 2 into it, this will be base and height, minus 1 under root of y plus 1 dy, and limits minus 1 to 3. 8 minus 2 by 3 will be into y plus 1 to the power 3 by 2, and limits is minus 1 to 3, will be equal to 8 minus 16 by 3, which will be equal to 8 by 3. So is the answer.